Atomic Habits by James Clear is a book that aims to help readers create lasting positive changes in their lives by breaking down the science of habit formation. The book is divided into 4 main sections: the fundamentals, the 4 laws of behavior change, the 4 steps of habit formation, and advanced topics. In the first section, Clear introduces the concept of atomic habits, which he defines as small habits that, when repeated consistently over time, can lead to significant changes in behavior. He also discusses the importance of focusing on systems rather than goals, and the idea that habits are the building blocks of systems. The second section of the book introduces the 4 laws of behavior change, which Clear argues are fundamental to creating lasting habits. The laws are: make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. Clear provides detailed examples and practical advice for how to apply each of these laws to create positive habits and break negative ones. The third section of the book outlines the 4 steps of habit formation: cue, craving, response, and reward. Clear explains that understanding these steps is crucial for creating new habits, and he provides strategies for optimizing each step to increase the likelihood of success. Finally, the 4th section of the book covers advanced topics related to habit formation, such as how to overcome plateaus and setbacks, how to create habits in a social context, and how to build habits that are sustainable over the long term. Throughout the book, Clear provides numerous examples and anecdotes to illustrate his points, as well as practical exercises and checklists to help readers apply the concepts to their own lives. He also emphasizes the importance of self-awareness and self-reflection, and encourages readers to experiment and adjust their habits based on what works best for them. Some additional points that may be helpful to include in a detailed book summary of Atomic Habits are: Clear emphasizes the importance of focusing on small, incremental changes rather than trying to make large, sweeping changes all at once. He argues that small habits can have a compounding effect over time, and that it's easier to make lasting changes when they are approached in a gradual, sustainable way. The book includes numerous examples of how to apply the 4 laws of behavior change in various contexts, such as work, health, and relationships. Clear also provides case studies of individuals who have successfully transformed their lives through the power of habits. Clear emphasizes the importance of creating an environment that supports positive habits. He argues that our surroundings can have a powerful impact on our behavior, and provides strategies for optimizing our physical and social environments to make it easier to stick to good habits. The book includes several chapters on how to break bad habits, such as identifying the underlying causes of the habit and finding healthier alternatives. Clear also provides strategies for dealing with common obstacles to habit change, such as boredom, stress, and social pressure. Throughout the book, Clear emphasizes the role of identity in habit formation. He argues that our habits are closely tied to our sense of self, and that by changing our habits, we can also change our self-image. He provides strategies for developing a positive identity and aligning our habits with our values and goals. In summary, Atomic Habits is a highly practical and actionable book that offers a clear and systematic approach to habit formation. By breaking down the science of habit formation and providing practical advice and strategies, Clear helps readers create lasting positive changes in their lives. The book is a must-read for anyone who wants to improve their habits and achieve their goals. If you like this summary, then subscribe to my channel, and if you want to purchase this book, check out the link given in description box. Thanks for watching.